Onto the 2026 Hero Splendor XTEC 2.0 135, a motorcycle that takes one of the most trusted commuter bikes and gives it a fresh, modern, and powerful upgrade for the new generation of riders. The 2026 Hero Splendor XTEC 2.0 135 continues the legendary legacy of the Splendor name under Hero Motocorp, a brand that has dominated the commuter segment for decades. The Splendor has always been known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs, and this new 135cc version takes things to another level by adding more power, smarter technology, and improved styling while still keeping the DNA that made it a household name across South Asia. Starting with the design, the 2026 model looks sharper and more premium than ever before. The bike carries a refreshed headlamp unit with integrated LED DRLs that give it a modern and aggressive touch. The XTEC 2.0 badging on the side panels highlights its upgraded identity, while new sporty graphics and bold color schemes make it stand out on city roads. The fuel tank design remains simple and practical but now features sleeker lines that add a muscular feel. The rear section is clean and stylish with a redesigned LED tail lamp that improves visibility and gives the bike a contemporary look. The riding position is upright and comfortable, making it ideal for daily commuting in busy city traffic. The seat is long, wide, and well cushioned, ensuring comfort for both rider and pillion. The handlebar position offers a relaxed riding posture, which reduces fatigue during longer rides. Hero has focused on ergonomics to ensure that even in heavy traffic or during extended journeys, the rider feels comfortable and in control. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Hero Splendor XTEC 2.0 135 is its upgraded 135cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine delivers more power and torque compared to the traditional 100cc variant, making overtaking easier and highway cruising smoother. The engine is tuned for a perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Riders can expect a power output of around 11 to 12 horsepower and strong low-end torque that helps in quick acceleration from traffic signals. The engine is paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox that offers better gear ratios for city and semi-highway use. Gear shifts feel precise and light, enhancing the overall riding experience. The refinement level is impressive, with minimal vibrations even at higher speeds, which is a major improvement over older commuter bikes. Hero's i3S technology, which automatically shuts off the engine during idle and restarts it with a simple clutch press, further improves fuel efficiency and makes the bike more eco-friendly. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest points of the Splendor series. The 2026 XTEC 2.0 135 is expected to deliver around 60 to 70 km per liter depending on riding conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for daily office commuters, students, and delivery riders who need a reliable and economical motorcycle. The fuel tank capacity is sufficient to offer a long riding range, reducing the need for frequent fuel stops. In terms of features, the XTEC 2.0 variant truly shines. The bike comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, gear position indicator, real-time mileage, and trip information. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to receive call and SMS alerts directly on the display. There is also a USB charging port for added convenience, enabling riders to charge their smartphones while on the move. These features bring a premium feel to a segment that traditionally focused only on basic functionality. Safety has also been improved in the 2026 model. The bike is equipped with an integrated braking system that distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels for better stability. The front brake can be either drum or optional disc depending on the variant, while the rear continues with a reliable drum setup. Tubeless tires provide better grip and reduce the risk of sudden air loss in case of punctures. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers, tuned to handle rough urban roads and speed breakers comfortably. The chassis is lightweight yet strong, ensuring stability at higher speeds while maintaining easy maneuverability in tight traffic conditions. The bike feels balanced and predictable, making it suitable for both new riders and experienced commuters. Its compact dimensions make parking easy, and its lightweight nature helps riders confidently handle it even in crowded areas. Maintenance and durability are areas where Hero bikes traditionally excel. With a vast service network and affordable spare parts, ownership costs remain low. The engine is built to last, and the overall build quality of the 2026 model reflects improved finishing and durability. This makes the Splendor XTEC 2.0 135 not just a bike, but a long-term investment for everyday mobility. Another strong advantage of this bike is its affordability. While it offers upgraded features and a more powerful engine, Hero ensures that pricing remains competitive within the commuter segment. This balance of price, performance, and practicality makes it one of the most value-for-money options in the 135cc category. When compared to other bikes in the same segment, the Splendor XTEC 2.0 135 stands out due to its brand trust, advanced features, and excellent mileage. Many riders prefer Hero because of its proven track record and strong resale value. The combination of modern technology with traditional reliability creates a perfect package for the evolving needs of urban riders. On the road, the 2026 Hero Splendor XTEC 2.0 135 feels smooth, responsive, and easy to ride. Throttle response is crisp, and the bike handles traffic effortlessly. It is not a racing machine, but for daily commuting, it provides exactly what riders need: comfort, efficiency, and dependable performance. The added power of the 135cc engine gives it a slight sporty edge, making it more enjoyable than typical entry-level commuters. Overall, the 2026 Hero Splendor XTEC 2.0 135 represents a smart evolution of a legendary motorcycle. It retains the core values of the Splendor family while embracing modern technology and improved performance. For riders looking for a practical, fuel-efficient, and feature-rich commuter bike, this model ticks almost every box. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Hero Splendor XTEC 2.0 135, make sure to subscribe to Viral Varse for more exciting bike and car reviews, latest updates, and in-depth automotive content. Your support helps us bring you the best and most viral automotive stories every day.